Hello, my dear friends. So, how are you? So, we are back with the new top trending and unique final year projects. And these projects are not limited to any one domain like AI, ML. In this slides, in this video, we have covered, you will not believe, 3 to 4 domain. We have covered AI, ML, we have covered blockchain, and we have also covered cyber security project for you. And I want you to just give me 5 to 10 minutes and I will take you through this new and top trending and top class project, and you will also be very happy to go through this, learn this project and implement. And even if you want any files of this, you can reach out to us and we will send you. We will also share each project uh, brief video in the YouTube description. You can go and you can watch the video. So now let's start. First of all, I am Vatsayan. I am your host, your dost, your mentor, your friend, and I will take you through top 10 unique projects. And I have one surprise for you, one unique project surprise extra for you. So now let's start. One second. Huh? So, first of all, top 10 unique final year projects. So, before going through this, I want to tell, see, every other student is looking for a project. You, your friends, your teammate, your other college friends, everyone is looking for a project. But if you are looking for a top class project, but if you are looking for something unique, something new, something extra, something advanced, then this is the right video. Now let's start. So, number one project in this category comes network intrusion detection using machine learning. So, this project we have made, you can go to our YouTube channel, you will find this video. This project is full stack web application project. So what happened? Network intrusion detection using machine learning. As we all know, there are hacker attackers. They come on a network. They try to steal. They try to take ransomware from you. So to protect your system, to protect your network, we have made network intrusion detection using machine learning. This is kind of security plus machine learning project, guys. Security plus machine learning. This project videos in the description. You can go, you can click on that and watch that video. If you need any files, you can let us know, we will send to you. Now, second project. So second project is fake review detection system. See, every site like e-commerce site, example Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeal, Meesho, different types of e-commerce site, but still people can't trust people. People can't trust other reviews because many reviews are in fake, you can say. So how to detect that? How to predict it? How to check that? So this project will gonna help you. In this project we are going to use machine learning algorithm and we are going to check the fake reviews we a product gets. Okay, if you need this project, do let us know, we will send you again description video present, watch it. Now come to the third, face detection attendance system. This project in COVID time many students did, now also very famous, because see, in as the time will go, there will be a some attendance system where you have to just show your face in your camera and your attendance will took. So same as that, this is also like a kind of Python project, kind of OpenCV machine learning project. You just have to real time you have to show your face and you will be able to watch that. Let me show you some
So,
example.
welcome to my channel.
So this is me only describing. So you can see we are dear Narendra Modi, his face is also detecting and my also. So both of our attendance is going and saving here there. I hope you like this project too. Please go and watch and you will really like this video. Now, land registry using blockchain. This project, guys, this project is a blockchain project. As we all know, in India there are people who try to claim your land which is owned or which is like bought by your parents, grandparents. There's no safety, any person can take until and unless they have to go to a code and they're like long process. So why not blockchain will help this? Blockchain, their data as a storage will be, as you can say, for a unlimited time. So this project can help for land registry using blockchain system. Now, uh, another one is fake news detection using machine learning. Every day, Every day on Twitter, Insta, any social site you can go and you will find that there are lots of fake news. How to predict that, how to detect that, how to analyze that, this project gonna help you. In this project we are using machine learning algorithm. We have trained the data set, and we when we give the input we get the output. Okay, so now another one is rainfall prediction system using machine learning. Rainfall prediction project. Why this project? We are in Asian country, we are in Indian country. India is a mix of drought state like Rajasthan and rainfall state like a South India. So every state have a different climate, different seasonal crops, and different seasonal you can say air, wind, and we never know how much rainfall will be there. So if you want to predict for the next year, for after 2 years, 3 years, even for this year, so how you gonna do? So in this we gonna use real time data set which we collected, and then we have analyzed, we have applied machine algorithm, and then when we give an input of any state, any like year or month, we get the output how much rainfall will be there. Such a cool and great project. You should consider this project, guys. Now stock price prediction using machine learning. Open your Instagram, just search about stock. You will get thousands, you will get millions of reels, videos on stock price, and every day people spend lots of crore, you can say millions of rupees on this. So how to predict the stock price and using machine learning? This is the great project I'm telling you. And this project, the specialty, you can predict for any of the stock if you want, any of the stock. Now come rainfall predictions is, oh, we have done. Now let's go for, wait a second. Yeah, next is GIF malware detection project. This is not a machine learning project. This is a type of a malware, type of a security system project. This is not a machine learning project. This is the type of malware security system project. Okay, you can use for like a security subject. You can in this see many people send or receive GIF every day. Even our parents and relatives send good morning messages, good morning themes, and good morning images. But sometimes those images contain some kind of link, some kind of you can say APK file, some kind of malware. So how to protect, how to detect? This project gonna use. This project can help. Okay, this is GIF malware detection system project. Now another one is cryptographic communication system project. Such a great, such a top class project, I'm telling you, such a top class. And I'm telling you, this project myself I have done in my 4th year. As of now I'm passed out in 2020, now it's to 2025, and I'm telling you, such a cool, such a great project, guys. I'm telling you why. Because whenever you send a message, you want some kind of privacy, you want some kind of security system, and we have covered in this. Take an example, just take an example. When you send someone a message on WhatsApp, what is it written there? It is written, it is protected by end-to-end encryption. Cool. Means WhatsApp is using some kind of encryption technology. Cool. So if WhatsApp is using some kind of encryption technology, and when you will check the WhatsApp code, you will not get it because it's not open source. On the same principle, on the same aim, on the same proposal, we have also tried to cover. And what special, what unique, what the new thing, we have not applied one algorithm, but we have combined the two algorithm. We have combined in, and we have put the name cryptographic communication system, double approach, combo approach. Python project, cool project. If you want it, take it, videos in the description, watch it, learn it, implement it. If you don't have, take from us. Enjoy. Now the last unique project, UPI fraud detection system. Every day you transfer your money, you receive your money from UPI, from PhonePe, GPay, Paytm, different types of UPI money transaction apps and website. Okay, cool. So how to detect that the payment you got or the payment you have sent, that is fraud or not fraud? If the payment, if someone is claiming you got or not, how to detect? You can detect by using this project, that is, or learning this project, is UPI fraud detection using machine learning. This project, not, I will not tell again that this is such a cool, nice, this is such a great project to learn. This is real life problem. Many common people, many illiterate people, many people who have not studied too much, many people who don't know about tech, they suffer in this domain. They suffer how to pay someone, how to receive money from someone. So how this project gonna use? This project gonna use by implementing this thing in the different bank server, bank pages, and people can know that their payment or the payment which they got is fraud or not fraud. This is real life problem solving, my friend, real life problem solving project. And this is such a new, such a unique, such a top class project, and you should consider doing this project. If not UPI fraud detection, at least credit card fraud detection, at least something fraud detection. Because as not today, even 100 years back there was a payment fraud. Not even we will do many things, there will be payment fraud after 100 years also. So to protect this fraud detection system, UPI fraud detection, you should consider this, try to this, learn this, show in your resume, get great marks. Now at last, I am Vatsayan. I am owner of this computer science project, Vatsayan Technology. Thank you. If you need any new project, if you need any machine learning coding help, if you need any machine learning help, if you need AI help, deep learning help, cryptography help, machine learning help, blockchain, any kind of computer science project help, just call this messages or WhatsApp me, reach out to us, and my team, not me, my team will be there to assist you, to guide you, to help you out. I hope you like our video. If you like our video, then what you have to do, you have to go to this site and you have to one second, let me see, you have to search, yeah, you have to search finalproject.in. Okay, and you can click on WhatsApp here to contact us. You can mail, you can call, you can message. There is like lots of great project on our channel. You can go to our channel and you can find there like lots of great project, lots of new. Every month we come with a new project. You should go, you should learn about this. If you need anything, you should contact and we will send. But do remember, services are paid. Suppose that if you need some kind of services paid. Service charge is very minimum charge, but services are paid. As you will go to doctor, services are paid. As you will come to developers, services are paid. I'm telling you again, if you come and say I want free, nothing is free. Free was in internet. Go and take it. Time is very precious. You will come to us, we will give you our time, we will help you, we will send you the files and everything, but we are charging for the time and the services on the YouTube channel and the website which we are running. We are taking for that, nothing more. I hope you understand. If you need anything, do let us know. Come to us, we will send you these cool projects. If you want to learn, take an idea that's free from us, take it, make it yourself, get a good grades. Thank you guys. I hope we will get a chance to help you, we will get a chance to give services to you. Thank you so much guys, thank you.